Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is Rich Robin. I'm going to walk you through a Santa Maria grill with a side fryer that we've attached to it. Those that aren't familiar with what Santa Maria grills are, typically they're a grill that have an adjustable food grate that goes up and down on some type of crank or pulley system, which is what we've got here. And it's got a 14-inch drop-down front shelf. The shelf actually folds down. It's been locked in the upper position right now. We have a large side access door with a dial-style air vent. We've got a solid plate sliding ash pan that you see here to dump your ashes, and we have a multi-level charcoal fire grate that is adjustable from it's in the upper position now, but it also goes down lower to where it fits where the above the ash pan is. And of course, here's your crank system. This grate goes up and down multiple positions. You can lock it in the down position here, you can lock it here, and it just goes up about 2 inches each rotation or revolution of the pulley there. And get you a shot of the inside there if you can see that. And we got our 160K burner over here for cooking food. It's at a waist height. Guy's gonna do more pan type frying than he is boiling and frying, deep frying stuff. So he wanted up top as opposed to down below like you see on a lot of our burners are. Control valves, we got some D-rings on there so he can secure it when he picks it up real easily. It's got some larger 6-inch casters. Your regular hose in the back, quick connect, your removable propane tank holder that actually disconnects, and then we got a fire poker right here and a rear hanger storage for it. Oh, the lid. This has a locking lid. See this lid? It actually folds down and covers the burner so the burner stays clean when you're not using it. And if you're not using the burner, you can also use that as a little tabletop. Here, I'll show you real quick. There you go. Now it folds down, and now you got a little tabletop. Pretty neat, neat deal. I'll flip this real quick. Show you that. Kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time, but you can see the system here. And all the way down. And of course, you can lock it anywhere in between. Again, it has about 2-inch levels or increments that you can lock it in on a revolution. It's a pretty neat deal, neat grill. We one hell of a steak cooker, chicken cooker, fajitas, shrimp, kebabs, man, you name it. Anything you want to cook over wood or charcoal, you can put in there. It does have dial-style vents on both sides, so you get an even flow of air coming in underneath on both sides of this 48-inch. I think it's 24 by 48 specs. Again, it's 24 deep by 48 wide with the side fryer. That fryer is about a 20 by 20 squared fryer. There's a big fryer. You can put big pots or pans on it. And we got your heavy-duty casters. There's a 2-inch drain valve down there. You see a 2-inch drain ball valve. Not that you need that for grease drippings like you do in a offset smoker, but it's just added there for a little additional clean out. Obviously, most of the stuff's gonna get caught by your ash pans here, and you just pull that ash pan out. But Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas, Custom Barbecue Pits. There's my contact information. If you like this or anything else that we've got on our website at gatorpit.net, give me a call, 713-896-0144, or shoot me an email, info@gatorpit.net. And that's also on my website. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and give us some comments on this. If you like it, give me a contact, give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. We can make these in different sizes. We can make them bigger and we can make them smaller. Again, Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.